Mohammed. Okay, congratulations. Don't come to me, I got no prize for you. Please go to Miss Margaret Hay, okay? She has the cash for you. Okay. Congratulations, thank you. Taxable, by the way, okay? And that's a Mohammed with a record of about 5 seconds for what, 12 bottles?
Yeah, for speed bottle cap how many?
For 12 bottles, 5 seconds, huh? Less than 1 second for each bottle. Very fast, okay? So now we're going to move on to the next category. We're going to award the student category. The student category. Okay, the student category, we're going to award the winners, okay? First prize, second prize, and third prize. Okay, well, this is just one of the categories that we'll be announcing, and later on we'll be announcing the category A, the creative cocktail category, as well as category B, the flair tending category. Okay, so for the student category?
For the student category, there will be a slightly delay, so now we'll continue with the mocktail category. We'll start with the second runner-up.
Okay. Alright, for the mocktail category, which is category C, for the second runner-up, third prize will walk away with $200 cash and trophy, and the winner is
Foxy Red for second runner-up.
Congratulations, Foxy Red. Jean-François Chandon, where are you? The mocktail. The mocktail category, you won yourself $200 cash as well as trophy. Congratulations, that's a Foxy Red. And now we're going to move on to the second prize. Our first runner-up is going to walk away with $300 cash as well as trophy. Let's see with us at the back.
And our first runner-up is Sweet Memories. Sweet Memoirs.
I like the smile, so sweet. So cute. Can you stay with us? Can you not walk away with the trophy? Thank you. And not walk away with my money. Well, the champion for the mocktail category will walk away with the champion trophy as well as $500 cash.
And the winner is Soursop Kingdom.
Soursop Kingdom. Congratulations. Woo! Give it up to him.
Congratulations to our first winner.
Okay, now we're going to go back to the student category, okay? So the second runner-up?
Second runner-up will be Obsessed.
Obsessed. Oh, okay. Before we can have the Obsessed, okay? We're going to have a group photo shot for all the mocktail category. Then we move forward to take a picture together with Miss Margaret Hay. Off the stage, thank you very much. Okay, now we're going to go back to the student category. Okay, so the second runner-up is going to walk away with
$50 cash and certificate.
$50 cash as well as certificate of commendation. And our second runner-up goes to Obsessed. Congratulations. Are you obsessed with reading? Walk away $100 as well as a certificate of commendation, and the winning entry is
Cherish. Congratulations to our first runner.
All ladies.
Yeah, ladies rock.
Okay, so we're going to the champion. This for the student category. By the way, all ladies. I'm not sure whether the champion is a lady. It could be, and it's going to walk away $150 our certificate of commendation, and this winner goes.
And the winner goes to Temptation.
Temptation.